What are you doing?
Oh, hey. Didn't see you there. You know, I'm just getting my stuff rigged up to go do a little fishing.
Okay. Nice.
You enjoying this outside?
Yeah.
Don't it? Right over there.
Huh?
The spot's right over there.
We're gonna walk across?
No.
Oh.
You could. This is where your feet might get wet. Right here. You can walk on it, just don't slip and fall in. Because it's kind of slippery.
Yeah, I don't want to fall in.
Alright guys, I made it out. Me and Seth made it out to this kind of secret spot kind of back here in a pond. There's like a little dam. Super secret. Like not even the government knows about it. And me and my dad came back here last week and had a pretty big northern sitting back in here. And he broke us off twice. And I'm twisted around. And so, see if I can catch him. Or if he's even sitting back here.
If we don't catch the fish, we're gonna jump in.
Yep. Okay, you're gonna jump in.
We're both gonna jump in. Right here. However deep it is.
Does this bother you that I still have, does this bother anyone that I still have all the stuff, the wrapping still on? Because I was watching one video and it bothered, of someone else, and he still had some of the packaging on, and it bothered a lot of people. I thought it was kind of funny because I accidentally leave mine on all the time. Where's he at, Seth?
I don't know. I'm intimidated.
Yeah, that could be it. Not even a bass, because last time I caught a really nice bass back here. I'm aborting mission.
Yep.
Didn't catch anything. He wasn't here, honestly. He's still alive, roaming around. Seth thinks he's dead, but I have hope.
The river monster.
Whoa! Jesus, I almost slipped on a freaking rock. Guys, we are hooked up. I don't know if this is the big one, but he's a big fella. I think. Oh no, he's not that big. What is this? No man, what is this guy? Oh,
That's a pretty big guy.
that's a huge sheephead. Are you serious?
Hey, that dude.
God dang it. Good, I'm glad that came off.
Yeah, we didn't want him anyways.
That might have been the biggest sheephead of my life.
Welcome to chemistry class. Mix this with that. I wish I could tell you what it was, but I forget. I think it's aluminum or something. Not aluminum. Iron. I don't know. And you shake well.
So what exactly are you doing?
Look at that.
Oh,
Look at that.
I think that will be a good one. Oh, that's pretty rotten.
I want to get in there as much as I can.
It's like it's meant for it.
I know. Load smithereens.
All right, where should I put the camera?
you record on my phone.
Yeah. Alright, are you guys ready? I'm gonna hand you the phone and then we're gonna go. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna do a little intro. Bye bye little house. I'll make sure your ears are covered. Are you ready? Wait, hold on. Let me get my camera out. Okay. Alright. Oh my god. Seth, that was... That was extremely loud.
Yeah.
You could hear it echoing all the way across. Oh, no, look at my camera lens.
Wipe it off.
Jeez. That was cool.
That was really cool. You want to put another one in that? Finish it off?
Might as well get rid of it.
Think that's good? I'm afraid it. Should I try to put it in more?
I don't know. Are they okay right there?
Huh?
Are they okay right there?
Yeah.
Avery. Avery.
What?
Go big or go home.
You doing two?
Two. Bye bye little house. I'll make sure your ears are covered. Shoot. Safety. Number one priority. Are you ready? Wait, hold on. Let me get my camera out. Okay.
That was loud.
Oh my god. Seth, that was...
Second one will go all the way down because it's not as strong.
Nice.
That was Safety on. Are you ready? do anymore.
No. That was bad.
Oh my gosh.
That was bad.
Whoa.
You hear it hit the house?
I heard it fly in the woods.
Fly over there.
It flew in the woods over there, and then I heard it land over there.
Hold on. God. That was cool.
That was really cool.
Really cool.
Well, I guess that's one way to kind of get rid of a stump, right? Look at this.
Didn't really do a good job.
That's a, I mean, it didn't do a good job, but that's a big chunk that came off. Hopefully no one calls and comes and talks to us. That was really cool though.